To get started, first we must get our menu text and put that into our InDesign file to start formatting it. In the provided files, you were given a menu text document. Open this in Word, Microsoft Word, and select all of the text provided and copy it. Next, we're going to open the menu InDesign file. Here we're going to take our type tool and draw a text box that spans the space of the margins on the page and fills the empty gray area here in our menu design. Next, we're going to format this text box to have two columns. Go to the Object menu and choose Text Frame Options. In the Text Frame Options menu, we're going to set the number of columns to 2 and set the gutter space to 0.25 inches. Now we see that our text box has 2 columns. Here, we're going to paste the text we copied from the menu Word document. Lastly, to make sure that we're prepared for having the panels needed for what we're going to do in this tutorial, it's recommended that we switch from the Essentials workspace to the Typography workspace.